chung kan video chu in lo enanga kan soisa do alawanga dekina voice over te point ikaron soi pa don ni han soi fia jam dan turi tuna ta hi jo kala shashi lawa he nikina kalawo video khai karon da ngai lo enjenga pi nemi puchama fernu kha a hostel mo jon kan thalai te po lam dona an thiamang to khanin an zira chung te po chu kalo tilang don he kan no hen diaper thak na oma chuan hei outfit check zoi tuna mi ang tak hi ka voi khat kalna ne engtiang in dress tan tunge ka shalawa mase hei tihan kan ha fe do top mani dress leather jacket ne do top na han tan tep to a lu tang chuanin hei tara van nei thak te in pinemin min pile YSL perfume min pe to mani de khan hei mình tuat thấy khóc mấy perfume rim tui lutuk mấy hết chẳng chỉ color đắng rong rộn xóa không ạ khang gì ngà khăn hi present cái đông lệ lo mấy nè bút chăm mà phải nấu chín thì chú các bạn van này chín em rim tui lutuk cảnh cảm ngay chalai lam tour ho an long ha cái này hi heng ti hi kan chalai shoi tu te lam bi ka lam an mani jon lam thiam lo lam zir te tu ni chang lo hai ta hian local khom to hela ma hianin lam ve tur tho an ni a piu tu thela hian thil ka mu fu lo mai hela hi chap char ko kan man na tur nia athim vek ria ma se azau lu tu ki chung zong ki mo hi backstage tur ni hi khoi mo ka ti eng thei ngem o ti eng thei to lo hei bak chu zau lu tuk ma ina lutuk hei jet to ka chu sei to lo meng hei director hemi embark nikina embark chung chang he chu karon soi fia leang ani he director ania pastor rose mo pastor rose anga nu pui ani a nikin mizo lo soi fia lo
fundraising kan dia settlement to success kan dia in run kala kan lo me ta da ru kan tananga da riam plan chon culture dance te culture food te culture item te kan nayanga rang in chon organization more than 15 an run kala min run support kan lo mu tani
chon embark khalo soi fia lo halai kai mani tlang mi tam ta ken lo en ve chin mo khami ka
in minority of Burma advocacy resource center ka to Iowa refugee immigrant
non-profit organization and yan chin ni we need to point in a chang zo garon soi liang all right okay check and dong all right let's go get food di khanaron soi nual to wangin ka soi zau to lo mai nga he organization in non profit ani a chumi wang chuanin state lampang mo roi tu te kanom na state roi tu te an beng sha te po kha lo poi mo ve a chan chu anni hianin ke mani helai om tla ho tam tak har satna chong lama har sat wanga chung ko boy na chang te pon lo pui to china ma an malak na hi aro pui em ani helai muna hianin lam chang kan huanga heng te poi hi Burmese chin karen ni an leng veka har satna nei ten helai muna hianin an tlalu thina ni tin kan huang khanin camera ten news lama te po alan arin om ani ti chuan kan thuam kan culture ang chang te pho chuan na a oma nakina kan Raffle ten ti dona chuanin hei kan in te po ni se sap ho te po hen ve mo me ni kan in ang thau te khan ron khilama khadan da thla company lian nei tak nei ten anon sponsor a hei community a hian ang te ber te po hi an ngai poi mo em vek mai ni chuwang chuan an ngai lu le a hei lai vela pon lo en koi te an favorite ka Raffle khan thun don ni mo an thuna na kina khan kan lo en zelang
so this is what
chẳng te hi hei koi te lo da ni hi to na cái chân lý cái này cái này
long time.
Long time. School kan high school
Some people say I look like her.
We do. Hey hi attended an donate niya hey te himo. Chan ti hianin box thang a hianin. Aran da don ni. Ulian te art hi moi khop mai. Spring roll te hey. O kamau ding pa hi abai uluk ngar khop mai. Ai ve sep này hết tại này sap te samosa oh lapito te hey tui don lutuk so o ai in kan mutak te kha mingala bar restaurant call door nei tu te kan ti mai helaya chuan e call thil tui tak mai an siama restaurant nei chu general sponsor helai mun lo zin kal duin om te point atui khop mai tin he kan mu ho te po hi company lian tak real estate te ania ani ho hian sponsor ani vai lok la lapit tau te lo da 20 ma lapit tau ka an sak dun mai Okay, kan lepai bang lama.
Allow us to expand our program, reach more family, and advocate for the stronger and more inclusive community. To our donor, especially our representative, Ross Johnson, thank you so much. Your kindness and commitment made this work possible.
All right, like him, our next speaker has given so much of her heart and soul to the work here at Embark. Abigail Sweet, who's from the Chin community, was one of the original volunteers that helped launch Embark, and she has since worked her way up to executive director. Abigail holds a Master of Religious Education from Bangalore, India, and graduated from DMAC with a Human Services degree. Abigail worked for the International Rescue Committee in Malaysia, where the UNHCR office is located, for over 4 years as an interpreter team leader, overseeing an interpreter program and supervising families were completed daily before settling in the U.S. in 2013. Today, we're proud to be able to call her our Abigail.
Hello everyone, my name is Abigail C and I'm one of the founding staff member and the executive director of Embark. Thank you everyone for joining to celebrate the settlement to success of Embark services. Your presence at this event means a lot to us. And I thank God for giving me the opportunity to serve the refugee and immigrant community with you all. And also I would like to express my gratitude to my husband, Pastor Ro, who always stand by me to support me, and also all the Embark team for their commitment. We are proud to be the Iowa first refugee-led service provider, and all of our program is focusing culturally specific program, and our motto is train the trainer. We train community navigators and grow many leaders in order to support our community. We believe, and I believe, that every individual must be empowered to continue to move on and help others. I'm one of the examples. I started as a volunteer, interpreter, and advocate, and now today I become the executive director of the Embark. So on my fellow other refugee and other many community members,
Embark, which is truly fulfilling. I'm passionate about supporting victims of violence and helping them access the resources needed to navigate the U.S. laws and the court system. Having experienced domestic violence in my childhood, I feel a strong purpose in advocating for those who with similar challenges.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Lucy. I'm one of the board members here in Iowa. The beautiful scarf that I have here is our Chin traditional scarf. I just want to share with you. And from now on, I would like to welcome our first performance group. They are setting up here. They will be here soon in 5 minutes. The group will be from Arakan group.
Over there and buy more raffle tickets and place more in the boxes. The second item is also donated from the
Hmuhhnawm
community. It's we call it a basol. Loji. It's worn by men. So it's like you wrap it around your waist like a sarong. And yeah, that is also up for raffles. Some vines, so you can see here that people wear it when they're farming. They use it to place some harvested items or even carrying tools. I don't think I'll be mistaken. They do carry their little babies too when they're farming in the mountains. So a lot of our ethnic groups use this. So this is up for grabs. This is from the Karenni community. Sorry, thank you. The tray is included. As you can see, the first one, it's a one item. We have grouped it. This one is called a jungle fruit. We call it in Mizo, we call it koi. It's inedible. I have never seen it in real life to the tree. So this fruit, after it's dried, they crack it open, and this is what's inside. And kids play with this in the Mizo communities, and they play it different ways. Moani in the Mizo community can explain more better, but this is a toy. You can definitely use it to, teach your kids how to play. You can Google it too, how to play games. You can use it as decoration as well. The next one is a necklace. So traditionally, these kind of necklaces you'll see a lot in our Chin camper. I don't know if this one is made from amber, but it is a very precious cultural item. You will see a lot of our Chin communities wear it during Chin National Day or other special occasion. That is also part of this tray. And this one is a hairpin. You will see a lot of Chin ethnic groups. The ladies will wear it in their bun. And it's made from bamboo and some traditional one. This next one is hand woven. So this one, you can wear it as a scarf or place it at a tabletop as life of hunting, gathering. So, and this is all handmade. Thank you. And the next item is from the Arakan or Rakhine ethnic group. Sorry, it'll take more than 30 seconds. My timer is showing me the card. I just want to show you all the great things. So this is from the Rakhine group, the group that just had the dance. This represents their emblem here. The colors represent bravery. It's a sand painting. So if you Google sand painting in Burma, you'll see how the process, it's very detailed and takes a lot of time. They use this canvas and sand and they hand paint all of this. So this particular one is donated to the traditional Kachin. It's from the Kachin ethnic group and it's a skirt worn by ladies. And next one is also from the Kachin ethnic group. This is a sarong. We call it baso. It's from the Kachin group and they tie it around the waist. The men who wear this. This actually is a garment with, as Tim is showing for us, thank you. So this is a hat made out of bamboo rattan, and I think there's some leaves too here. So this is from the Karen ethnic group. A lot of the farmers wear this. Okay, so this next one is also from Kachin. This is actually the traditional Kachin women's skirt. They wear it, it's with a black velvet top. It's a whole outfit. So this one here is also hand woven. His name is Noel. Don't know if he's here. Noel, are you here today? No? Okay, he's an artist. He's also a very dear friend of Embark, and he painted this actually. And this represents the scenery in the Chin Hills, and you can see the little huts. They're temporary structures because a lot of the farmers, when they go during harvesting season, they can't go back to their homes, so they would build and live in these structures while the harvesting season is going on. So you can see that it's acrylic on canvas. So we have a very special art piece also available for raffles.
He has all these vines he has to pay, so he's gonna take a second job so that he can pay off all his vines. But he said that he really liked everyone and that he actually had fun that day. And he said I feel bad, but I need to bring some more great days. Because they told him that if he could pay for the things, he wanted it contract.
could have been anywhere else in the world. You could have taken time to do anything, but you are here today, in this moment, at this time. And so would you please give yourselves a round of applause for your commitment and for your efforts. Come on. Yeah.
Both of our representatives and representative and senator who are here with us tonight. Another round of applause and thank you so much for coming out and sharing with us. Mic over to Lucy, who's going to introduce our next performance group.
Our next performance group is from Karen Performance Group, who will now be joined by local IDKB Girls Dance Group. The Grand Group will be sharing with us traditional dance that is performed in a number of different celebrations. A little bit of the meaning of the song the group will be performing nowadays is the Korean community is spread all over the world. The community has many different ideas, thoughts, and opinions across their people.
Hey, the chill dessert. The AM. Oh, chắc là đơn. Ở bên phòng đó chứ na nằm chill hậu ka.
Okay. Hey, everybody, are you ready?
Yes. Lower so everybody pay attention.
Look at your raffle tickets.
Raffle.
783160. Do we have a winner?
So Mizo, a win.
The winner of this beautiful blue decoration.
Wow.
Congratulations, Ashley.
Mizo chill ang lâu quá. Có lộn về tống tiền theo vài chân. Ui.
This is the traditional soul, the red moon. Okay. And the number 78314.
Ay koy ang lâu ka.
Thank you.
Adong
Congratulations.
Lukum.
Summer is coming up. The next 6? No?
Right there. Hey, like
Do you have 116? Remodel is a part of the market of the community, so yay, more items. Thank you. This is the painting, the acrylic on canvas painting done by our Mizo community member. He did this all by himself.
Let it be me. Let it be me.
The number is 164.
Uy, 169.
Samantha?
169. Oh, hindi na koy dong tubok ka ni.
Congratulations.
Wow, Mizo thì là bắt đông thầy về hình chưa?
Okay, thank you. It's an exchange.
By our Mizo performance group. You guys go ahead, clap. We'll do some clap. The Mizo Society of America is going to be joining us today from the Iowa branch, and they're going to be performing a dance that is called Ainaŵn, which I've pronounced very poorly.
Ainaŵn.
Ainaŵn. Yeah, Ainaŵn. Okay, Ainaŵn. This is not my night for pronunciation, guys. All right, and this is a combination of 2 to 3 different Mizo cultural dances. So let's all welcome them to the stage.
Tuna kan hmu ta ang hian hei kan thalai Mizo Society of America Iowa branch thalai te mingin an ran lama an thiam khop maya amara chu ka khongai khop mai a chan chu kan huang hian a space azim lutuk mi puinen hian kanin nei boxia tin music ha alo tang deuh thut bok nen lama har don khop mai amara chu an ti tha khop mai an confit ya tia khop mai chanin khati zong ha ka video te lo ni sela vein ka hun man monamin lo ti ngei ka bai se bye bye